Next topic is sigma star. Take an example, alphabet equal to A comma B, two symbols. Then sigma star is a set of strings possible over alphabet of any length, which means sigma star is a set which contain all the strings that can be formed using the symbols A and B. Previously I have mentioning the length of strings, but sigma star will contain all the strings that can be formed over an alphabet A comma B. That's why sigma star is called as universal set or mother of all languages. You can take sigma star equal to sigma power 0 union sigma power 1 union sigma square union and so on up to infinite. So sigma power 0 is a epsilon, sigma power 1 is A comma B, sigma square is AA, AB, BA, BB, union so on. So sigma star will contain the set of strings from epsilon to the string of infinite length. So it is an infinite set. If you take a look over this diagram, just consider this circle is a sigma star. If you take a languages L1, L2, L3, where L1 is a language which contains set of strings of length exactly 2, and L2 is a language which contains set of strings whose length is greater than or equal to 2, and L3 is a language which contains set of strings whose length is less than or equal to 2. So if you take L1 is a language where the string length is exactly 2, then the strings are AA, AB, BA and BB, and L2 is a language which contains the set of strings whose string length is greater than or equal to 2, then the strings will be from AA to up to infinite, and L3 is a language which contains the set of strings whose length is less than or equal to 2, then the strings will be from epsilon to BB. If you observe, the strings which are present in L1 are also there in sigma star. If you have a look over here, this is the language L2, and the strings which are present in this is the language L1, and if you see the strings which are present in L2 are also present in sigma star. From here to here, this is the language L2, and the strings which are present in language L3 are also there in sigma star. From here, from epsilon to this is the language L3. So you can tell that the strings which are present in these languages are also present in sigma star. So finally we can tell that the strings which are present in languages L1, L2, L3 are also present in sigma star. So sigma star is also known as universal set or mother of all languages. Not only these languages, if you take any other languages like L4, if you take L4 is a language which contains set of strings whose length of string is divisible by 3, then those strings will also be present in sigma star. Therefore sigma star is known as universal set.